Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to tackle a common and very useful feature in web development, creating a horizontal scroll with dynamic columns in a single row using jQuery Mobile. This is perfect for photo galleries, product lists, or any time you have more content than can fit on the screen horizontally. We'll break it down step by step. First, let's talk about the basic structure you need in your HTML. You need a main container, which we can call a wrapper. Let's give this div an ID like scroll wrapper. The purpose of this wrapper is to define the visible area on the screen. Inside this wrapper, we will place another div, which will hold all of our columns. Let's call this inner div the scroll container. This inner container is the one that will actually scroll. Next, we apply some simple but powerful CSS to make the scrolling happen. For our outer scroll wrapper, we set the CSS property overflow-x to scroll. This tells the browser to enable horizontal scrolling if the content inside is wider than the wrapper itself. We also set overflow-y to hidden to prevent any unwanted vertical scrolling. Now for the inner scroll container, we apply two very important CSS rules. The most crucial one is whitespace, nowrap. This property forces all the elements inside it to stay on a single line, preventing them from wrapping down onto a new row. We also set its display so it behaves correctly within the flow. With the containers styled, let's focus on the columns themselves. Each item or column inside our scroll container should be styled with display inline-block. This makes the columns sit next to each other horizontally, like words in a sentence. You can give them a fixed width, some padding, and margins to create spacing. Finally, let's make it dynamic using jQuery. Imagine you have data, perhaps from an API call, stored in an array. You can write a simple jQuery loop that goes through each item in your array. Inside the loop, you create a new div for your column, add your content to it, and then use jQuery's.append function to add this new column div to the scroll container. Because of our CSS setup, every new column will be added to the end of the single row, extending the width of the scroll container and making it scrollable. And that is how you build a responsive, dynamic horizontal scroll view. It's a clean and user-friendly way to display a large set of items. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I truly hope it was clear and helpful for your projects. If you found value in this video, please consider showing your appreciation with a like or a comment below. Every bit of support helps the channel grow and enables me to continue creating useful content for you. Thanks again, and happy coding!